A lot of people do not know the difference between, say, a term policy and a permanent policy or a whole life policy. Now, a term policy means that you're going to pay the same amount for your life insurance for a certain term, a certain period of time. So if you have a 20-year term and say you're 30 years old and you get a really good rate, which could be like $160 a year, okay? If you qualify for that term, that means that you're going to pay $160 a year for 20 years, and that rate's not going to change. Now, when you hit 50, the rate's going to go up, okay? So the term only lasts. Now, some people will get a 10-year term. Some people could get a 15-year term. In fact, you can really get a term for pretty much any term that you want. Now, as you get older, your insurance company is not going to insure you for like 30 years, okay? But when you're young, you could go up to, say, 30 years, and it would be locked in for the amount that you start off with up to the end of the term. Now, a permanent policy is just a policy that lasts you your whole life, and it is more expensive than a term policy. But that's the difference between the two. People get confused and they think it's real complicated and they're kind of embarrassed to ask questions and stuff. But if you have any questions about insurance, it's pretty, it can be kind of complicated. It can be confusing. So just, give me a call or put a comment here and I'll be happy to answer your questions personally. Send me an email. I want you to understand it, okay? Because people do need life insurance. Thanks.